Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about how to guarantee success in your business. I'm bringing you some powerful principles straight directed at serial entrepreneurs. First things first, let's talk about culture and branding. These are not just buzzwords. Your culture is the heartbeat of your business. It's what makes your business unique. Remember, you don't need people to believe in what you're doing. You need them to believe that you believe in what you're doing. Take some time today to write down 3 core values for your business. These are the things you stand for no matter what. Once you've got them, live by them every single day. Make sure everyone on your team knows them and follows them too. Next up is building your personal brand. This is how you leave your mark on the world. It's not just about your business, but about you. Your personal brand is your legacy. It's what people will remember about you. Start sharing your journey on social media. Post about your successes, your challenges, and what you're learning. Be real. Be authentic. Let people see the real you. This will build a connection with your audience and make your brand stand out. Let's move on to mission and vision. These are your guiding stars. Your mission is what you're doing right now, and your vision is where you want to go. They should be simple, clear, and easy to remember. Write a mission statement for yourself and your business. Keep it short and sweet, something you can memorize. Then, write a vision statement. This should be a picture of where you see your business in 5 to 10 years. Put these statements somewhere you can see them every day. Now, let's talk about being consistent and accountable. Consistency is doing what you say you'll do, every single time. Accountability means owning up to your mistakes and fixing them. Create a daily routine that includes time for your business. Stick to it. If you mess up, admit it, fix it, and move on. Accountability builds trust with your team and your customers. Finally, we've got intentional relationships. This means building trust with your employees and customers. Trust isn't given, it's earned. You have to work on it every day. Spend time getting to know your team and your customers. Ask them about their goals and challenges. Show them you care. When people know you care, they're more likely to stick with you and give their best effort. All right, folks, there you have it. 5 powerful principles to guarantee success in your business. Let's recap. Culture and branding. Live by your core values and let everyone know what you stand for. Personal brand and legacy. Share your journey and be authentic. Mission and vision. Write clear, simple statements and look at them every day. Consistency and accountability. Stick to your routines and own your mistakes. Intentional relationships. Build trust by genuinely caring about your team and customers. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of heart. Keep pushing, stay motivated, and believe in yourself. You got this! If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Leave a comment below about which principle you're going to start working on today. Let's grow and succeed together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed, stay motivated, and keep hustling. Peace!